All right, guys. And then the last thing that I want to talk to you all about in today's podcast is going to be my new REI Reply build out service. Something that I've been wanting to talk about for quite some time, but I hadn't actually launched it yet. But it's basically launched now, guys. Like by the time that you all see this video, it will be active and you will be able to purchase your own REI Reply build out service. So basically what it is that I've noticed that a lot of people who end up getting REI Reply, they don't know exactly what to do and they don't want to necessarily take a month or two actually trying to figure out how to set up these campaigns, how to set up the triggers, how to set up the automations and things of that nature. So that's where we come in. Basically, we'll actually set up your REI Reply account for you, including all of our automations that we use in our own business. So let's say, for instance, someone says no, and it's a lot of different ways that they can say no, right? We'll actually input all of our automations. So like if someone says no, F off, asshole, F word, whatever it may be, we have custom automation set up to automatically remove those people from your workflows. We even have another campaign. Let's say, for instance, if it's a wrong number, we'll have all of those people end up in an entirely other section. So then you can just find those people and we can re-skip trace them at a later date. We can also set up yes automations to where if someone's saying yes, sure, what's your offer? The system is automatically replying back to people saying, hey, yeah, great. I'd love to talk to you about that. Do you have time to chat later today? So especially is going to be nice for you guys that work jobs or are very, very busy throughout the day. The business is operating itself for you. That's basically what this REI Reply build out service is going to consist of. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. All right. So not only are we going to set up those automations and campaigns for you, we're going to customize your campaigns. We're going to actually pull 2,000 skipped trace mobile phone numbers for your campaign. So you can pull a list yourself, or we can actually pull these leads for you on the house. Okay. And then we're going to skip trace those leads for you on our dime. Okay. And it's going to be mobile phone numbers only. So you don't have to worry about texting landlines and getting your numbers disqualified like right off the bat. All right. Next, we're going to set up your profile and your users. We're going to get all of your users established inside of there so you can have multiple logins so you can actually set up your campaigns effectively. We're going to set up 6 custom campaigns for you as well. So you're not going to be using that standard wording that you see inside of REI Reply. You're not even going to be using the exact wording that we use. Actually, for every single person that we work with, you'll have your own custom messaging for every single person that we work with. Also, like I said earlier, we're going to set up all of your triggers and all of your workflows so then your business is basically completely automated. And we'll add in all of your phone numbers as well, depending on the markets that you're going to be diving into. We'll add those phone numbers in for you. We'll actually create Zapier connections for you as well. Like I mentioned earlier in the podcast, we can actually set up those Zapier automations to where if someone says yes, or you create a new contact inside of REI Reply, it'll automatically push that person over to your project management software, whether you're using Trello or Podio and Asana and Agile, and it'll inform you that this person wants an offer or that you have work to go do. And then we'll also set it up to where it's going to launch your campaign on a day of your choosing. And then lastly, we're going to give you 30 days of support. So if you have any technical questions, hey Ed, what do I do here in this situation? Whoops. Okay. My camera cut off on me for a second there or whatever, but we're still rocking and rolling. So that's basically what the REI Reply build out service is going to look like. We'll pull you and skip trace and place 2,000 leads into your system. We're going to set up custom campaigns for you. We're going to set up all of your profiles and all of your users. We're going to set up all of your triggers, workflows, automations. We're going to add in all of your phone numbers. We're going to customize all the text message response templates. We're going to launch your first campaign on a date of your choice and you're going to get 30 days of support. So if you have any questions, you can work with me personally to get your questions answered. We'll help you out. We'll get you rocking and rolling out here. And it'll actually be me. It's not some foreigner or anything like that. You'll actually be chatting with me, and I'll personally be helping you get this stuff together. So if that sounds like something that you would be interested in, definitely check out the links for it down below, and we'll get you rocking and rolling in no time. I'm trying to make it as affordable as possible. It is very, very labor intensive. And to be honest with you, most people that have these automations set, they tend to go off and get really, really good results because a lot of their business is automated. They didn't have to spend weeks trying to figure this stuff out and watching YouTube videos, trying to piece all of this stuff together. You can get in the game right away once you grab REI Reply. You can also get REI Reply as well with the link down below. So be sure to check that out as well.